Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel.
Hi, I'm Lily.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are here today.
Before we start, please click the like button. It really helps our channel.
And subscribe if you want more easy English lessons.
You understand English perfectly. You read, you study, you even think you're improving. But then a native speaker starts talking.
And suddenly, it feels like a completely different language.
Here's the surprising part. It's not your vocabulary.
It's not your grammar either.
So why does this keep happening? Today, we'll show you exactly why and how to fix it.
First, listen carefully to this sentence. What you gonna do about it?
Did you understand it? Now listen again, slowly.
What are you going to do about it? Same sentence, completely different experience.
The first reason is simple. Native speakers don't speak word by word.
They speak in chunks, fast connected chunks.
Your brain is trained to hear, "What are you going to?"
But natives say, what you gonna?
So your brain freezes, trying to catch every single word.
Here's the second problem. Words don't stay the same.
Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna.
And did you eat becomes, did you eat?
It's like English is melting. Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop.
Hey, what you gonna have?
You panic. Was that English?
But if they said it slowly, what are you going to have?
You'd understand instantly.
Let's train your ear right now. Repeat after me. What are you going to do? Now faster. What you gonna do? Now natural speed. What you gonna do?
Did you feel the difference? That's how natives actually speak. Here's the truth. Fluency is not about knowing more words.
It's about recognizing sound patterns.
Once your brain learns these patterns, English stops sounding like noise.
And starts sounding like meaning.
So, how do you fix this? Simple.
Step 1. Listen to real conversations.
Step 2, repeat what you hear.
Step 3. Shadow it. Speak at the same time as the audio.
Don't pause, don't translate, just follow the sound.
At first, it feels difficult.
But then something changes. You stop hearing individual words.
And you start understanding the flow.
So next time a native speaker talks,
You won't freeze.
you'll understand. Listen, repeat, speak with confidence. Now imagine something different,
Not confusion, not struggle.
but real, natural English between two people. A quiet cafe, two people on a first date.
And for the first time, English feels easy.
So, I'm glad you came today.
Me too. Honestly, I was a bit nervous.
Really? You don't look nervous at all.
That's because I'm hiding it well.
What made you agree to this date?
I think curiosity. And maybe a little courage.
I like that answer.
What about you? Why did you say yes?
Because I wanted to meet the person behind the messages.
And? Am I different?
A little, but in a good way.
Do you always speak English this comfortably?
Not always, but conversations like this make it easier.
So maybe English isn't about perfection.
It's about connection.
You know what's funny?
What?
A few minutes ago, I was overthinking every sentence.
And now?
Now I'm not thinking at all.
That's when you know you're improving
When English stops being something you study.
and starts becoming something you live.
If you understood this conversation,
Then you're already closer to fluency than you think.
and if you want more real English like this,
Don't forget to like the video
and subscribe
because your next level of English starts here.
English is not about studying, it's about living it.